हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। एक बार फिर मैं आपका राजेंद्र कामत आपके सामने हाजिर हूँ। और आज मैं जीके और जीएस के लगभग 1000 क्वेश्चंस आपके सामने लेकर आया हूँ, जो किसी भी क्लासेस या कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपको काफ़ी पसंद आएगा। तो प्यारे बच्चों या मेरे जो भी व्यूवर्स हैं, आप अगर इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों के बीच में से शेयर करें ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को इसका फ़ायदा हो सके। तो आइए चलिए आज का वीडियो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। और आप स्क्रीन को देखें, यहाँ पर जो पहला क्वेश्चन अभी आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा है प्यारे बच्चों, वो आप यहाँ देखें। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ, deficiency of which vitamin causes knock knee, bow legs and pigeon chest in children। तो इसका जो सही जवाब है बच्चों वो है विटामिन डी। यानी बच्चों में आप देखेंगे जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं खास करके, उनके बॉडी में अगर विटामिन डी की कमी हो तो उनका जो हड्डी है या उनका जो बोन्स है उसका फॉर्मेशन सही से नहीं हो पाता है। उनके पैर जो है वो टेढ़े मेढ़े हो जाते हैं। इवन की जो रीब केज है एकदम बहुत अंदर धंस सा जाता है। तो उसके लिए विटामिन डी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होता है उसकी। ठीक है बच्चों, तो यहाँ पे जो डिफिशियंसी है वो विटामिन डी की डिफिशियंसी है। ओके, हम लोग बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर। विच इज़ अ हॉट विंड? द करेक्ट आंसर इज जोंडा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, इन विच फॉलोइंग इज रेस्पिरेटरी पिगमेंट इन ह्यूमन? यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि ह्यूमन में जो रेस्पिरेटरी पिगमेंट है वो क्या है। तो बच्चों ब्लड में ये हीमोग्लोबिन, आप यहाँ देखिए ये हीमोग्लोबिन है। हीमोग्लोबिन जो है ये कैरियर होता है ऑक्सीजन का। ठीक है, तो इसका जो सही जवाब है वो हीमोग्लोबिन है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आ जाए। विच ऑर्गेनिज्म इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल? यानी अल्कोहल के प्रिपरेशन में किस ऑर्गेनिज्म की आवश्यकता है? तो प्यारे बच्चों उसका सही जवाब है फंगी। ठीक है, एक केमिकल रिएक्शन होता है जिसे हम लोग फर्मेंटेशन कहते हैं। तो फर्मेंटेशन के मदद से जहाँ पे किसी न किसी फंगी जो ईस्ट में मौजूद होता है उसकी मदद से अल्कोहल प्रिपेयर किया जाता है। ठीक है, आप नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखें। व्हाट इज़ द सोर्स ऑफ इमीडिएट एनर्जी फॉर सेल्यूलर एक्टिविटी? यानी बॉडी में जितने भी सेल्यूलर एक्टिविटी हैं उनको एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलता है? तो प्यारे बच्चों इसका सही जवाब है एटीपी, यानी एडेनोसिन ट्राई फॉस्फेट। यानी जो भी फूड आफ्टर डाइजेशन एनर्जी रिलीज करता है तो उसका कुछ पार्ट मेटाबॉलिक और कैटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज़ में यूज हो जाते हैं और कुछ पार्ट जो है वो एटीपी के रूप में स्टोर्ड हो जाता है, जिसे बाद में सेल्स अपने यूज़ के लिए इस्तेमाल करते रहते हैं। ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाए। इन विच फॉलोइंग इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर वाटर बैलेंस इन ह्यूमन बॉडी? तो इसका सही जवाब है किडनी। ठीक है बच्चों, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्क्रीन पर आप देखें यहाँ पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है, हाउ मच टाइम डज अ हार्ट बीट रिक्वायर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली? तो इसका सही जवाब है बच्चों 0.8 सेकेंड। यानी एक हार्ट बीट में लगभग कितना टाइम लगता है? तो ये है 0.8 सेकेंड का टाइम। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉरी। विच विटामिन इज एसेंशियल फॉर द कोगुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड? यानी खून का जो थक्का यानी क्लॉटिंग होता है, जो जमाव होता है, उसके लिए कौन से विटामिन की आवश्यकता है? तो इसका सही जवाब है बच्चों विटामिन के। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच डिस्ट्रॉय द टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस फाउंड इन डाइजेस्टेड फूड? तो इसका सही जवाब है बच्चों लीवर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच फॉलोइंग इज नॉट यूज ऑफ सैलिवा? तो यहाँ पे इसका जो सही जवाब है ये है दिस इंक्रीजेस केबीसी इन बॉयल एयर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, What is the short upper part of the human intestine next to stomach? यानी ह्यूमन जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है, स्टोमक के ठीक जो नेक्स्ट अपर पार्ट होता है, उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? तो उसका सही जवाब है बच्चों डिओडेनम, से डिओडेनम कहा जाता है। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच डिजीज इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ द मेम्ब्रेन्स कवरिंग द ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड? तो इसका सही जवाब है बच्चों मेनिंगिटिस। इसको मेनिंजाइटिस भी पढ़ते हैं, आप इसको ऐसे भी प्रोनाउंस कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप यहाँ देखें, व्हाट इज एक्सेप्शन टू मंडेलास प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डोमिनेंस? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज मिराबिलियस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, white lung disease is prevalent among the worker of which industry? And the correct answer is cotton industry. Next question, thyroid gland is activated by which harmonic for the secretion of thyroxine? And the correct answer is TSH. Next question, the chamber of human heart pumps fully oxygenated blood to aorta and hence to the body. And the correct answer is left ventricle. Next question, where old and dead RBC dispose? And the answer is spleen. Next question, which is the contractile protein muscle? And the answer is myosin. Next question, which substance is more than 80% in the cell? And the correct answer is water. Next question, which substance is more than 80%? Sorry, this is the water. Next question, which is pepsin releasing cells of stomach? And the answer is main cell. Next question, which antimicrobial drug is suitable for treatment of both tuberculosis and leprosy? And the correct answer is rifampicin. Now the next questions, take the look on the screen. Next question, how many number of chamber are found in the heart of mammal? And the correct answer is 4 chamber. What is the study of pulse and arterial blood pressure called? And the correct answer is sphygmology. Next question, which animal belongs to the family in which panda belongs? And the correct answer is bear. Next question, which gland disappear during old age? And the answer is thymus gland. Next question, which insectivorous fish used for mosquito control? And the correct answer is gambusia. Next question, in which living oxygenated and deoxygenated blood combined? And the answer is एम्फीबियन। प्यारे बच्चों, एम्फीबियन का मतलब वो होता है जो धरती और पानी दोनों, यानी पानी मतलब वाटर और लैंड दोनों जगह पे रह सकता है, उसको हम लोग एम्फीबियंस कहते हैं, ठीक है। तो इसका जो करेक्ट जवाब था बच्चों वो एम्फीबियन था, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आ जाए आप, विच वन ऑफ symbiotic algae is found in secretory cell of Hydra? And the correct answer is Euchlorella. Now next question, on joint uric acid crystal accumulation it caused? Answer is gout. Now next question, question number 30, food is converted into energy in which of the cellular organelles of cell, and the correct answer is mitochondria. Now the next question, the deficiency of which leads to dental caries, and the answer is fluorine. Now the next question, BCG vaccination, Bacillus calmette-guerin, is injected to get immunity from which disease, and the answer is tuberculosis, in short you can say TB. Now see the next question, human body mostly get energy from of vegetation energy in form of, and the answer is carbohydrate. Next question, which muscle is the strongest of all in the human body, and the answer is thigh. Next question, how many bones are there in the human cranium, and the answer is total 8 bones. Now the next question, in blood which anticoagulant substance found, and the answer is heparin. Now the next question, what is abiotic component of ecosystem? Answer is water. Now the next question, what is the biological process in which glucose and fat is oxidized to liberate energy? And the answer is respiration. Now see the next question, what is hepatitis B which affects liver? The answer is a virus. Next question, which organ in animals breaks fat to produce cholesterol? And the answer is liver. Next question, in which following element found in hemoglobin? C, iron. Next question, which gland is both exo and endocrine gland? And the answer is pancreas. Next question, which is the type of movement that occurs during opening and closing of flower? And the answer is nastic movement. Now the next question, how many regions found in human brain? So answer is 3 regions. Now the next question, see on the screen, the saliva helps in the digestion of which thing? Answer is starch. Next question, deficiency of vitamin B6 cause in mole? The answer is anemia. Next question, dialysis can separate which in addition to the glucose from the human blood? And the answer is protein. Next question, paleobotany is the branch of botany. What do we study about in this branch? And the answer is plant fossils. Now next question, which plant yields biodiesel or biofuel? The answer is Jatropha curcus. Now the next question, what is the net gain of energy from 1 gram mole of glucose during aerobic respiration? The answer is 38 ATP. Now the next question, in which found in tobacco? The answer is nicotine. Now the next question, largest organ of human body is? Answer is liver. Next question, which is known as graveyard of RBCs, red blood cells or capsules? The answer is spleen. The next question. What is the introduction of foreign genes for improving genotype? And the answer is immunization. Now the next question. In which blood group is universal acceptor? The answer is AB. Next question. Who got Nobel Prize for artificial synthesis of DNA? The answer is Kornberg. Now the next question. Which of the following will provide maximum roughage to our diet if taken in equal mass? And the answer is cabbage. Now the next question. First success heart transplantation done by? The answer is C.N. Bernard. Now the next question. In which animal is skin a respiratory organ? The answer is frog. Next question. Human blood appear red due to? The answer is due to hemoglobin. Now next question. In dry region, the leaf size of a tree becomes smaller. Why? And the correct answer is due to reduced transpiration. The next question. In the human body, which structure is the appendix attached to? The answer is large intestine. Next question. Production of which is a function of the liver? The answer is urea. Next question. Which is part of elephant convert in form of elephant teeth? The answer is secondary teeth. Next question. Pigment which given color to human body? The answer is melanin. Next question. Which is an insectivorous plant? The answer is pitcher plant. Next question. What is the smallest structural and functional unit of nervous system? The answer is neuron. Next question. Which worm reach into intestine of human by eating leaf? The answer is tapeworm. Next question. Which plant only produce seed but not fruit? The answer is cycas. Now the next question. How many pair of heart is found in an earthworm? The answer is 4. Next question. In plant energy is produced during which process? In plant energy is produced during which process? The answer is respiration. Next question. Which is not a plantation crop? The answer is sugarcane. Next. Which is used to know the development of fetus in uterus? The answer is ultrasound. Next question. What is funny bone? Answer is a nerve. Next question. Chromosomes are made up of which main component? The answer is DNA. Next question. Which enzyme is found in human saliva? The answer is ptyalin. Sorry, it is ptyalin. P remains silent here. It is ptyalin. Next question. Entomophyll pollination occur with the help of which creatures? The answer is insects. Next question. What do both respiration and photosynthesis require? The answer is cytochromes. Next question. A person feel fatigued due to deposition of which acid in their muscle? And the answer is lactic acid. Next question. Graves' disease occurs due to, the answer is hypersecretion of thyroid. Next, in which following commonly citric acid is found? The answer is lemon. Next question, which human organ is most susceptible to harmful radiation? The answer is lungs. Next question, hypertension, word used for, the answer is for increased blood pressure. The next question, ethylene reacts with sulfur monochloride to form which gas? The answer is mustard gas. Next question, which pigment is found in the blood of earthworm? The answer is hemocyanin. Next question, normal amount of blood in adult human is? The answer is 5 liter. Next question, what is known as powerhouse of cell? And the answer is mitochondria. Next question, for which is the northern blot technique used for the detection? The answer is RNA. Next question, which test helps in diagnosis of cancer? The answer is biopsy test. Next question, in adult male, number of RBC present? The answer is 5 million. Next question, involved in animal food? Answer is cellulose. Next question, which continent has the lowest birth and death rates? The answer is Europe. Now, next question, what is the role of the rabbit and horse? The appendix. See, the answer is it helps in digestion of cellulose. Next question, reduced lips and sunken stomata are the main feature of which thing? The answer is xerophytes. Next question, in which cell organelle do photo and thermochemical reactions occur in different sites? The answer is chloroplast. Next question, which gland is situated beneath the brain and whose observation produces giant-sized children? The answer is pituitary gland. Next question, in the case of a test tube baby, where does fertilization take place? The answer is outside mother's body. Next question, food prepared by plant through which is transported to different part of plant? The answer is phloem. Next question, coconut and mango grouped under which kind of fruit? The answer is drip. Next question, what is amnesia? The answer is related to loss of memory. Next question, what caused by deficiency of vitamin C? The answer is scurvy. Next question, which organs are morphologically different but perform the same function? The answer is analogous organs. Next question, human protein X1 antitricin is used for which disease? The answer is emphysema. Next question. Which element is responsible for blue baby syndrome? The answer is nitrate. Next question. What is anosmia? The answer is loss of sense of smell. Next question. Which combination of foods providing protein quality nearest to that of meat? Meat. The answer is sprouted gram and ground nuts. Next question. What is the normal temperature of the human body? The answer is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Next question. Which fungus is responsible for the Zika disease of groundnut? The answer is Cercospora personata. The next question. Which term for natural vegetation is associated with Siberia? The answer is taiga. The next question. Which salt is found in bone in largest amount? The answer is calcium phosphate. Next question. In which following deficiency cause goiter? The answer is iodine. Next question. Which fungus makes symbiotic relationship with the root of higher plant? The answer is mycorrhizae. Next question. Which disease is caused by bacteria and spread through facial matter by houseflies? The answer is typhoid. Next question. Which tissue is responsible for the secondary growth? The answer is cambium. Next question. How many chambers of heart found in human? The answer is 4. Next question. Fruit are sweet in taste due? The answer is fructose. Next question. What structure is common to both earthworm and cockroach? The answer is ventral nerve cord. Next question. Liver is rich source of? The answer is fat soluble vitamin. Next question. In which following main excretory waste uric acid? The answer is sparrow. Next question. What is the study of the interaction of antigens and antibodies called? The answer is serology. Next question. Which insect spreads kala jar? The answer is sandfly. Next question. Which branch of biology deals with study of heredity and variation? The answer is genetics. Next question. Rickets is vitamin deficiency disease. Which body part is affected due to its? The answer is bones. Next question. What is the transfer of pollen grain from pollen sac to stigma called? The answer is pollination. Next question. Vegetables are spoiled because they contain rich amount of? Answer is water. Next question. Which factors are most responsible for disease in plant? The answer is fungi. Next question. In vitamin B12, which metal ion present? The answer is cobalt. Next question. In which kind of organism is the phenomenon found wherein the female kills male after copulation? The answer is spider. Next question. Medicine for epilepsy is obtained from which lichen? The answer is Parmelia. Next question. Lacrimal hormone released from the answer is pituitary gland. Next question. Which metal is important component of vitamin B12? The answer is cobalt. Next question. In which is chromoprotein? The answer is hemoglobin. Next question. In which animal is respiration done by skin? And the answer is frog. Next question. Which modification of root does not store food? The answer is stilt. Next question. Scurvy disease caused the deficiency of? Answer is vitamin C. Next question. How much protein a working woman must intake every day? The answer is 45 gram. Next question. The study of mediaeval and its work is known as pharmacology. Next question. Nitrogen is the important compound of? Answer is protein. Next question. In which following glands regulate the body temperature or thermoregulatory? The answer is hypothalamus. In which a round worm that enters man's body through the soles of the feet? The answer is hookworm. What is the study of growth and development of embryo? The answer is embryology. Next. Which of the following has been found useful in keeping cholesterol level down? The answer is garlic. Next question. AIDS virus destroyed the answer is lymphocyte. Next question. What is the amount of glucose in milligram per 100 ml level in empty stomach? The answer is 60. Next question. In which following in regulable from blood pressure? The answer is adrenal gland. In which following to the abnormal component of urine? The answer is ketone body. Next question. By which are heredity characters of parent transferred to their offspring? The answer is chromosomes. Next question. Alzheimer's disease in human beings is characterized by which degeneration? The answer is degeneration of nerve cells. Next question. What is the study of interrelationship between living organism and their environment? The answer is ecology. Next question. No plants is other name of telanen. Next. Sour milk contain lactic acid. Next. Flower have color due to the period of? The answer is anthocyanins. Next question. The average lifespan of RBC is 100 to 120 days. Is the correct answer. Next. Which thing acts as an antidote to HgCl2 poisoning? The answer is white of egg. What is the principal pathway of water translocation in angiosperms? The answer is xylem. Next question. What is involved in controlling blood sugar level? The answer is slits of Langhorns. Next question. Which organelles in the cell other than nucleus contains DNA? The answer is mitochondria. Next question. By whom was the antibiotic penicillin first discovered? The answer is Alexander Fleming. Next question. Which disease is inheritable? The answer is color blindness. Next question. Who wrote Species Plantarum and Systema Naturae? The answer is Linnaeus. Next question. Universal donor are those persons which have blood O group. Next question. Saliva help digestion of fat. Next question. How many species are under threat in mainland France? The answer is 1000. Next question. The science which deals study of heart and its disease known as? The answer is cardiology. Next question. In the retina of eye cells, what is present for color differentiation? The answer is cones. Next question. Which is related to Christmas feature? The answer is blood clot. Next question. Which photosynthetic organelles are found in plants cell? The answer is chloroplast. Next question. Which organ breaks fat to produce cholesterol? The answer is liver. The functional unit of kidney is nephron. Next question. Deficiency of which vitamin cause xerophthalmia? The answer is vitamin A. Next question. Maximum nutritive element absorbed by blood from which part of alimentary canal? The answer is small intestine. Next question. Inside the body, why does blood not coagulate? The answer is due to the presence of heparin. Next question. How many bones are there in human body? The answer is 206. Next question. Which is the vitamin that is most readily manufactured in our bodies? That is vitamin D. Which is the richest source of ascorbic acid? The answer is guava. In which following is a fiber protein? The answer is carotene. Next question. Which communicable disease is caused by bacteria? The answer is leprosy. Next question. Which is following caused by vitamin B deficiency? The answer is beriberi. Next. For which snake is the diet mainly composed of other snakes? The answer is king cobra. Next question. What is considered as the drug of last resort for human being? The answer is chloramfenicol. Next question. There are approximately how many muscles in human body? The answer is approximately 700. Next question. What is the factor adversely affecting the fermentation process? The answer is high concentration of sugar. Next question. Which element is essential for the transmission of impulses in the nerve fiber? The answer is calcium. Next question. In which process light energy is converted into chemical energy? The answer is photosynthesis. Sex determination of child is done by whose chromosomes? The answer is father. Next question. Medium which increasing the urine secretion? Answer is diuretic. Next question. The salivary gland secretes saliva that contains which enzyme? The answer is ptyalin. Next question. What is a good source of vitamin E? The answer is fresh vegetable. Next question. Allantois of fructus is help in. The answer is exudation. Next question. A typical human rib cage consists of how many ribs? The answer is 24. Next question. Other than carbohydrate, which is important source of energy in our food? The answer is fat. Next question. In human skeletal examination is generally done for internal age. Next question. From which part of the plant is turmeric obtained? The answer is stem. Next question. To suspect HIV or AIDS in a young individual, which symptoms is mostly associated with? The answer is chronic diarrhea. Next question. What is the number of chromosomes in a normal human body cell? The answer is 46. Next, in which following help in blood clotting or coagulation? The answer is vitamin K. Next, which cell organelle is semi-permeable? The answer is plasma membrane. Next, which part of brain is center of thirst, hunger and sleep? And the answer is hypothalamus. Next question. How many valve sets are found in human? The answer is 4. Next question. Person which have blood group AB, such person donor blood which have blood group? The answer is AB. Now प्यारे बच्चों, अभी इस वीडियो में मैंने 200 क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स आपको बताए हैं, और अब इसके आगे का जो 1000 क्वेश्चन सीरीज के क्वेश्चंस होंगे तो इसको मैं अगले वीडियो में कंटिन्यू करूँगा। ठीक है प्यारे बच्चों, तो तब तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त दें और जल्द ही मैं इसके अगले क्वेश्चंस को लेकर आपके सामने हाजिर होऊंगा। तब तक के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।